After experiencing a brutal crypto winter in 2022, Bitcoin experienced quite a rebound last year. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500 Index, and Nasdaq Composite all posted double-digit gains last year as investor sentiment around the overall state of the economy started to strengthen. As such, crypto experienced some renewed interest, and Bitcoin surged over 150%. Yet despite Bitcoin's robust return last year, many believe that 2024 could be even better. One of the primary reasons for such a positive outlook is the looming approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This is an important development, because the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs would add some much-needed validation to the crypto landscape from regulatory authorities. However, earlier this week SEC Chairman Gary Gensler posted to X, formerly Twitter, notifying the public that the government agency's account had been hacked, causing many to question if approval for the ETFs were imminent or not. Let's dig into what happened, and why it matters for Bitcoin and crypto investors at large. This is a big issue for a few reasons. First, hacks in general can be pretty jarring. But seeing a government agency's social media profile become compromised adds an entirely new level of shock as it pertains to cybersecurity. Second, the content around the hack is perhaps equally important. Crypto investors have been speculating that the SEC is going to approve several spot Bitcoin ETFs any day now. As such, Bitcoin has witnessed some increased trading activity. However, given the comments above, investors were left confused and sentiment around the lingering approval started to wane. Unsurprisingly, Bitcoin briefly experienced a sell-off. The day following the social media hack, a link appeared on the SEC's website stating that applications for 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs had been approved. But to add more drama to an already erratic situation, the link was removed shortly after it was initially posted. Thankfully, by the morning of January 11th, investors received the clarity they were looking for. As of market open on Thursday, several spot Bitcoin ETFs began trading, including those from Cathie Wood's ARK Invest and BlackRock. Should you invest $1,000 in Bitcoin right now? Before you buy stock in Bitcoin, consider this. The Motley Fool Stock Advisor analyst team just identified what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy now, and Bitcoin wasn't one of them. The 10 stocks that made the cut could produce monster returns in the coming years.